KICKASSETS. Ching.
Hello everybody, welcome my friend. So you are interested in some property in Saitama. That's great, because we are today in my 16th house. So let's go, come inside, feel welcome. I will show you. I just finished the cleaning and some little renovation here, so I suppose this place will be perfect for your for you and for your needs. So let's come. Follow me, please. As you can see, this is a great kitchen area. You have already cleaned kitchen. Of course, as you see, there is still a proof of my hard work with cleaning this place, especially for you later on. There is also the storage area. You can put your dishes here, and probably this will be your family table where you will be sitting with your limited family members to suit your needs. Later on, you can enter this great room. As you can see, currently it's evening, so you can see the light, but when the sun rises, you will see the beautiful Saitama landscape, which is great. This is sunny room, two different directions of the sun elevation. You have the great storage here. So as you can see, perfectly fit for a dining room or maybe living space. Later on, as you can see, we have the corridor in which the toilet with washlet is hidden. As you can see, there is a toilet. You can of course use it for your convenience. There is also the bathtub area, wet area, where you have everything that you will need to get yourself clean before visiting your job and where you are living in Tokyo. And since we are talking about having advantage being in this place from Tokyo, the biggest one is that we are really close to the station. It's only 5 minutes or even less to reach the station, which is Harajuku station, which is one train from Tokyo. So I think that it could be suitable alternative for you. So how do you feel seeing this place like that? For starters, this is my 16th house, and I think that you as possible renter could be really interested in it. Let's not spoil yet. Let's visit the upper floor, because there are another rooms here. Come, please come. As you are a citizen from abroad, you will probably have a problem with finding yourself a proper place easily. You have to just ignore him. He is my slave. He is currently working for us, cleaning the 16th house. Not your house, my house is 16th house, and it's mine house, and you are already my slave. You over abuse the slave contracts, and currently, according to slave legacy,
army has
you are now
taken over.
slave.
I'm not German. I'm Irish, okay? Or Polish. Actually, I'm half Ukrainian, so welcome.
Welcome. So, how are you feeling about this 16th property that we just introduced to viewers as somewhere where our friend Archie will be probably living with us?
It's amazing, actually. Did you tell him it's
I already mentioned that this is a really...
station.
Yes.
For a wheelchair, maybe 7 minutes, but yeah, it's pretty good.
I didn't notice the wheelchair alternative, but the one thing is sure, if you choose the wheelchair option, at least one side will be faster, about 3 minutes, because it's downhill.
You can go either way, but this works perfect, obviously, because there's many entrances to the station. But
That's great.
the place is in decent condition. All I needed was a cleaning job. I've been cleaning for 12 hours for you today.
That's great.
I started at 7 a.m. It's about 7 o'clock right now. I've been going all day for you.
Your slavery practice is improving.
Slave Assets 2.0.
Perfect.
My empire went to dust, so I have
But-
to start my new job.
But as I see, this room is even more interesting than the previous one, because it's exposition to 4 sides. Okay, you can say that here is closed, but
It was 2 rooms before, but they renovated it into.
and
into
they decided to make it one room.
So now
Yeah.
it's time at rooms. But
So in don't worry, it's disappear when you are filming.
So, basically, this house is 1970s, I think it was built, but they renovated it one side inside, as you can see
Okay.
it, right? So
Yeah, it's
it's
noticeable.
always nice when that happens because they did everything you don't need to do. So to renovate this place, I don't have to really do anything. The tile washroom is, I don't like tile so much, but it's in great shape, so I'm okay with that. And it's smaller anyways, so it's harder to change a unibbath.
Yeah, it's
So-
hard to change if the size of the room is
That's right.
so small, but the bath itself was decent.
Yeah, and there's air cons in it already. There's a Qtoki, a water heater. So I don't have to invest anything. You know, I could change the wallpaper maybe, but I've been cleaning it all day and it's coming off. So.
Except of hunting down this house, because to tell the truth, it should be really difficult to find anything in your price range, which was, as we discussed previously before video, 10 million once again.
That's
So
right. It's very hard to find a 10 million house, especially 5 minutes to a station. That's
Exactly.
unheard of. You know, unless you're in Kanazawa, or so Ishikawa-ken or something, or Nagano maybe, but in Tokyo or Kanto area, no, not gonna happen. Very, very tough, right? Especially one in decent shape. So
yeah, the one thing that I'm feeling from the beginning of this video and from the first moment is that the floor is really stable, which guys, you can already be sure that this floor is stable,
So I don't
even
have
for
to redo
foreigners, because you have me as a weight to check it.
yes, that's what I think. When I bought this, could you stand on here? So, so when you bought this, you were thinking if you could stand on here. That's funny. What do you think about the place, my friend?
Well, the home is very spacious, and well, I'm not very well versed in the proprieties, but I really can appreciate some good Japanese wood joinery, the classic type.
Yeah, but the Japanese won't appreciate that. But I'm leaving it here for now, so the person who moves in can take it, or they can toss it. So I'll leave them the option. But unfortunately, most Japanese don't want stuff.
Well, if that was 30 minutes from my job, I would take it.
To what?
If that was the 30 minutes from my job, I
Um,
would take it. This
yeah.
house.
Yeah,
So we are closing for now, and
I guess.
we are
Do you have any questions?
leaving you guys. See you later with KICKASSETS and Monomit.
Assets.
Exactly.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
See you.
See you.
Welcome back to Japan. Nice to see you.
Oh yeah.
How you feel to be back?
Cool.
Full? How do you feel that he's back?
I would like to see him back in Japan.
Okay.
Finally, gonna get escape from that place. Now, the only thing I can get the toast to this from the Russian fleet. Bottoms up.
You feel happy?
Let them think.
Yes. Let that sink in.
Hello, everybody. Welcome, my friend. So you are interested in some property in Saitama. That's great, because we are today in my 16th house. So let's go, come inside, feel welcome. I will show you. I just finished the cleaning and some little renovation here, so I suppose this place will be perfect for your for you and for your needs. So let's come. Follow me, please. As you can see, this is a great kitchen area. You have already cleaned kitchen. Of course, as you see, there is still a proof of my hard work with cleaning this place, especially for you later on. There is also the storage area. You can put your dishes here, and probably this will be your family table where you will be sitting with your limited family members to suit your needs. Later on, you can enter this great room. As you can see, currently it's evening, so you can see the light, but when the sun rises, you will see the beautiful Saitama landscape. which is great. This is sunny room, two different directions of the sun elevation. You have the great storage here. So as you can see, perfectly fit for a dining room or maybe living space. Later on, as you can see, we have the